Story Nest.
Nora the Nightingale, with feathers the color of a twilight sky, and Leo the lizard, whose scales shimmered like emeralds in the sun, took flight. Below them, a sprawling garden burst with life. Crimson roses unfurled their velvety petals, sunny daffodils danced in the gentle breeze, and delicate lavender sprigs swayed rhythmically. The air hummed with the cheerful buzz of bees collecting nectar. Nora began to sing, her voice a melodious trill that echoed through the garden. Leo chimed in, his voice a surprisingly smooth baritone that harmonized perfectly with Nora's soprano. Their song was about the simple joys of life, the warmth of the sun, the beauty of the flowers, and the happiness of friendship. As they soared over a patch of vibrant bluebells, their song grew louder and more spirited. Butterflies with wings like stained glass danced around them, seemingly drawn in by the joyful melody. A friendly ladybug perched on Leo's nose, listening intently before taking flight again. Their harmonious voices floated over a pond where colorful koi fish leaped from the water as if joining in their cheerful tune. Dragonflies with iridescent wings zipped and hovered nearby, their delicate forms adding to the magical atmosphere of the garden. As the sun began to set, casting a warm golden glow over the garden, Nora and Leo continued their flight, their songs of joy weaving through the fragrant air, a sweet lullaby to the closing day.